Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. So the first method that you can do is just install a really speedy theme. So I have in here this link and it is actually ranked. Orchid Store has been ranked as the most speedy theme that actually makes your store load faster. So you can install this. Next to this right here is this actual theme right here that you can see, which is this e-store by Theme Wheel, and this is what it looks like. So just make sure that your theme actually loads faster than other that they have. So second thing that you can do is you can head over here to your plugin marketplace and search in here for image optimizer. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for this, you should be able to see some search results related to this. So you can choose this image optimizers that you can see right here, install one of them, and that will actually make your images resize into a smaller size. That way, that actual website that you have will load faster. This because the image is actually hindering your web page loading site. Next thing you can do is you can remove your cache on your WordPress. So let's head over right here and let's try to search in here for W3 total cache. So I recommend this one right here because it's actually really easy to use and you can see it right from in here. So we have in here this clear cache for me and also this automatic cache flusher. You can install which one of them and then you should be able to clear the cache on your WordPress, and in that way they will be faster than ever. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.